Come along, it's veggie time. Let's all dance in a veggie line. One by one they take the stage, smiling big, now turn the page. Big carrots here, so bright and bold, orange and crunchy, never old. Wiggle, wiggle, hop with me, I help your eyes to clearly see. Tomato rolls, so round and red, bounces high and spins her head. Juicy, tasty, healthy treat, tap your toes and stomp your feet. Two corn is dancing, tall and sweet, golden hair and tapping feet. Slide to left, slide to the right, corn can boogie day and night. With green delight, twirls and spins, oh what a sight. Shake your arms and turn around, broccoli fun is all around. Red pepper shakes with flair, spins and claps right in the air. Disco lights and pepper moves, watch that veggie show its groove. Potato rolls across the floor, then he jumps and rolls once more. Round and fun he loves to play, let's all dance the Spuddy way. Cucumber, with style so cool, taps his feet in veggie school. Clap your hands and twist your hips, join him on his dancing trips. Eggplant flips and lands just right, purple spins in purple light. Breakdance moves in joyful beat, watch him jump and shake his feet. Now you've met the veggie crew, dancing just for me and you. Sun Kids Garden, we had fun, let's do it again, everyone. Mwah. Now you've met the veggie crew, dancing just for me and you. Sun Kids Garden, we had fun, let's do it again, everyone. Mwah.